I'll stop halfway and get you, Isaac. I'll pull the Ross a bit halfway down. Come on, Ross, go on. Good lad. Good stuff, Ross. Excellent. But a nice control. That's good, that looks great. Great stuff.